looks so cool!
Come on, let's head inside.
Haha! The popping candy is dancing in my mouth!
Pablo, come on!
Welcome to the Career Experience Center. Let the fun begin.
This place looks like so much fun! I want to be a dentist! Yay! I'm a little dentist now! Aw, so cute! This is so cool! Doctor, it's my first time getting my teeth checked. I'm a little nervous. Don't worry, I'm going to give you a checkup. I'll be very gentle. Just lie down right here. Huh? Where did he go? Haha, you found me. Because your feet were sticking out. Why are you hiding? I'm still a little nervous. Here, you can squeeze this toy if you feel scared. This dinosaur is so funny. Take a deep breath with me. I feel much better now. Please lie down right here. Wait, what? You're upside down. Your head goes on this side. Time for the checkup. Open wide. Say ah. Ah. Ooh, your teeth are a little dirty and you have a cavity. Have you been brushing properly? Don't worry, I'll fix it for you first. Wow! Thank you, doctor! You're welcome. Remember to brush your teeth really well and don't eat too much candy. Okay! Hey! Wow! Check out my new outfit! Whoa! We're little hairstylists now! Whoa! Welcome!
I have a party later. Can you make my hair look pretty?
No problem! We've got this!
I love the creativity, but it doesn't quite go with my dress.
Leave it to me!
Whoa! I have cotton candy hair now. Oh, oops! So sorry, excuse me. But I'm worried it might bump into people in the hallway. It might not be very convenient.
What hairstyle goes best with this dress? Let's look for ideas together. This is the one! Ta-da! All done! Wait!
Whoa! It's gorgeous! I can't wait to go to the party! Thank you so much!
You're welcome! Whoa, look at us! Whoa!
Little astronauts, please board the spaceship and find the space crystals.
Let's blast off!
3, 2, 1, blast off!
Space is so beautiful! Hey, come back! Eating in space is so much fun!
Destination reached. Preparing for landing.
Wow! Amazing! Time to collect some space crystals. Ooh, huh? These aren't the ones we're looking for. Ugh, where could they be? Let me see what this is. Ah! It moved! Alien! Hi there! Want some popping candy? Can we trade my popping candy for your space crystal? It's so pretty. Mission accomplished. Wow! He's entered super energy mode. This is so much fun. It's Daddy! Daddy! It was you all along!
Oh, surprise!
Congratulations! The space gathering mission is a huge success.
Our explorers are back!
All the jobs we tried today were so awesome! I wonder what's behind the next door.